Hi, you've reached Nexus Insurance. In a few words, tell me why you're calling so I can get you to the right person.
Hi, I'm not really sure who to talk to. I got a letter in the mail about a flood zone, and I'm worried my bill is going to go way up. Who do I speak to about that?
I can help with that. It sounds like a policy update. Are you looking to change your coverage or do you just want to know what the new price will be?
I just need to know the price first, and if it's too expensive, I might need to change my plan.
Got it. I'm going to put you through to our risk team. They can help you adjust your plan to keep your costs down. I'm sending your file to their screen right now. One moment.
Thank you so much. That was an AI receptionist acting as a smart conversational IVR. We've all been stuck in those press one for this, press two for that loops. And the problem is, many callers don't know which department they actually need. That leads to frustrated customers and a lot of wasted time for your staff. This AI understands intent and routes the call perfectly on the first try. Your team doesn't just get a random transfer, they get a notification telling them exactly why this person is calling before they even pick up the phone. You can build a smart AI receptionist like this yourself in less than 10 minutes. Head to cloudtalk.io right now to stop the transfer merry-go-round at your office.